If you've been looking to purchase a property that is just 5 minutes away from Provenza, well, this one is worth checking out. As we walk into this amazing studio apartment that has 65 square meters of interior space with a modern open layout, it also includes a fully equipped kitchen as well as air conditioning, so you don't have to worry about installing that. Here's the look at the kitchen. Really like the design here. And when you're ready to buy in Medellin, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description and someone will reach out to you. As we look back into the living area, the entire place was remodeled just a year ago. And we're going to take a look at the bit of greenery views that you have over here. The building itself does have a gym. It has a Turkish bath. With this purchase, you also get parking spaces. You actually get 2 parallel parking spaces, which is not bad, and you get a large storage room as well included. As we look into the walk-in closet, really love how much closet space you have here, and then we'll take a look at the master bathroom as well. So this is a great apartment, especially if you don't need like a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom. You want something smaller, and you want to be right next to Provenza. I mean, you're 5 minutes walking distance from the place. So I'll let you guys finish the walkthrough, and then we'll go to the map to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, so let's check out the listing of this property. It is on our website, and you guys can check us out at MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you can browse all of our inventory that we have available for sale. Also, I'll list all of the details for this property down below in the description. But now let's go over to Google Maps to show you where this property is located. So this property is actually located in an area called La Florida, but not too many people know that area. So we're gonna just say that it is in Provenza. And I mean, you're 5 minutes away walking to Provenza, to Parque Lleras. So you technically can be considered in Provenza. I marked out the entire area of what is Provenza in yellow right here, and then where the building's located, it's this green box, and then this red box just right here, that's Provenza. That's where the main restaurants are, the main nightclubs are, the cafes, the co-working shops, right in this entire area. So you can see you're really close to it, 5 minutes walking distance to it, as well as to Parque Lleras. So if you love staying in this area and you want to live as close as you can to the nightlife and everything of Provenza, then this property is the right one for you. With that being said, when you are ready to purchase in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, then we can help you out. We don't just send you properties that are in our direct inventory. We scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We call that the Medellin Living Search System. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on the team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.